coin is flipped 5 times, how many different results are possible? Well, the first coin is heads or tails, and then it's heads or tails, heads or tails. Hope you can see the pattern. 5 coin is going to be 2 times by 2 times by 2, 2 to the power of 5, which is 32 different possibilities. So that's the total outcome. What about the number of ways which can no consecutive flips or heads or tails? Okay, so you cannot have head, head like this. So it has to alternate. So there's 2 ways to alternate: heads, tails, heads, tails, heads. So it starts with head or tails. So there's 2 different ways for that to happen. What about at least 2 consecutive flips or tails? Okay. So the number of ways of at least 2 consecutive flips of tails. Okay, so that means either 2 tails, or 3, or 4, or all 5. Okay. So instead of trying to figure this out, what we can do is we can get the total, which is 32, minus the number of ways there's no consecutive tails, which is 2 different ways. Right? So it's 30. 2 flips of 2 consecutive tails. Okay, so that means tail, 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 tail. There's 5. So it's really, the head can go here, or here, or here. See that? There's really only 3 different options. So the number of ways 2 flips of consecutive tails is going to be 3 different ways.